In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Whatnot account 2026 step by step. Before we start, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is permanent and will remove your profile, purchase and sales history, and access to your data. If you're a buyer or seller, consider downloading any records you need and make sure there are no pending orders, returns, or unresolved balances. When you're ready, open your web browser and go to whatnot.com. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're signed in to the account you want to remove. From here, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile avatar or initial. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. In the menu that appears, choose Account Settings. This will take you to the settings area where you control your profile, preferences, and privacy options. On the settings page, focus on the left-hand side panel. This navigation panel groups everything you might need. Find and select the section labeled Account. This is where you manage core account controls, including deletion. Inside the Account section, locate the option that says Delete Account and click it. You're now on the dedicated deletion page. Here, Whatnot will ask you to tell them why you'd like to delete your account. This step helps the platform understand common reasons for leaving and improve the experience, but it doesn't affect your ability to proceed. Choose a reason from the list that best matches your situation. If none of the options fit, pick the closest one. Next, you'll see a field where you can share more details about why you want to delete your account. This part is optional, but providing a brief explanation can be helpful feedback. Keep your response general. Avoid including personal information you don't want stored. After you've selected your reason and added any optional details, review the page carefully. Look for any notes about what will be removed and what can't be recovered. If everything looks correct and you're absolutely sure, click the button labeled Permanently Delete Account. This is the final action. Once you click it, the deletion process begins and you'll lose access to your profile and content associated with it. That's it. You've navigated from the home page to your settings, opened the account section, explained your reason, and confirmed deletion. If you're not completely certain, pause before that last click and consider deactivating or taking a break instead. Otherwise, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free.